Hello everyone, how's it going? As you do, now replace the lock already on the boot. It's not the lock, it's the button. Here we go. Port number. It comes complete as this. It's literally just the button with a plug on it, and it's like 1,000 something like that. This is what you get: rubber button and a plug. Grommet, 1,000 rand. 1,000. Right, how do we get this out? Plug in over here. That's the wire. The logo must come out. You have to like loosen all this. These 3 nuts holding the handle. 1, 2, 3. Then it takes the handle probably out on the outside. This is gonna be interesting. 2 screws must come out. There's just 3 screws, you just pull the whole handle out. It actually does matter. It cannot be in one way because the screws will go one side. Put it back, plug it in. Oh, oh lovely. Oh, gorgeous. Part number.